Hi guys, I'm gonna do a quick review on these Tough Skins stamped hood and tailgate inserts. This is the Tough Skin brand. I've had these on my truck probably about a year and no issues whatsoever. From the factory, this comes just color matched to your truck, you know, and then all I did is I bought this little kit, and you can get it in black, chrome, you can get it in a bunch of different colors, but I'm all about the black theme on my truck. Once I get rid of these chrome bumpers, I won't have any more chrome. Anyway, this is the Tough Skin brand inserts. I like the Tough Skin ones because they're pretty thick and they're raised. You can get some cheap ones that are really small and real thin, but these are a raised look. From a distance, it looks really good. If people are going to ask, this is a Putco Ford Illuminated Emblem. I've got it hooked up to one of my upfitter switches. I can turn it on and off as needed, but it looks real cool close to dark, and actually it's really bright during the day. But I'll put a link to this in the description as well. You can get it with the camera cutout or without. I got an XLT. I don't have a front camera, so mine doesn't have the camera cutout, but you can get it with the camera cutout. This is just a quick review on these. I've had them on my truck over a year. I think it's like $40 for the front and $40 for the rear. You can get them in multiple colors, but I'll show you the front real quick. I've pressure washed it there and everything as well. Got the yard cleaned up the other day. My neighbor over there, Mr. Terry, looking good. It's a gas burner, but it does work and he's cool. So now here's the rear one. Same thing. This comes color matched to the truck as well. And like I said, Tough Skins are a little thicker, and they've been on already a year. So I really like them. You can, like I said, you can get them in a bunch of different colors, but that's the color I like. I love white, and everything on my truck's black besides my bumpers, and that's going to change eventually. But it just kind of makes the Super Duty stand out pretty good. I think you can get it for 150s too. But just doing a quick review on them. I'll put a link to I got them on Amazon, like $40 for the front and $40 for the rear. I'll put a link in the video of you can click on and buy them as well. It's my link. And also I'll put a link for the Putco Emblem too. But anyway, just want to do a quick little review on that. Appreciate y'all. Guys, if this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel. If you ever got any questions, or you can message me on, write me a comment or something. I'll answer you to the best of my ability. If I don't know it, I'll do my best to figure it out. But anyway, appreciate y'all, and like I said, please like and subscribe. Thanks.